Adolfo overfriend de NCC ana dum so eno no wo kire wadwen e wo comment section ho no ha ayejoba trend mesra wo sa obekọ YouTube na ko search for joba trend o search we a subscribe for my o subscribe we a mesra adoma na eda nchen ho no fa wonsa bosso mame o bosso we a fat all sene be ya upload videos fofo bia ba abonte a also be ya notification na watumi ahye bi amaye video bi efi ECG for aseye ababonti yenhwe video no bra
Naga junction mo de mache monje light book room air fly proof room asawase ticham so abo
wa video na yekokoshe baaye no ECG for chese sisie ya meniwu kase ade a omo ye ne se egise omo ne woni asem ya pel wampane ye ni obusiafo wa asem a ye bedum kanea eno nti ene ma yekoshe video na HAGU e wo screen ne so no na dum so yi me kamecho se efie kra me meti mo no ade be chi na dan we na ye wo light na dan won so eni light e kire se dum so no is back but ye ntumi nka ne kese nti ne ye se NCC me kra me ne hwan enko ka se dum so ye nko ne enko tie prophet odro asem ya oka efa dum so hu embra.
Today I slept outside of my house. I slept on 3 chairs. And I slept on 3 chairs. Because you can't sleep. You are living in a nation that has leadership. We voted for leaders. We're giving them free food, free water, free electricity, free plane, free fuel, free everything. And giving them salary. And we are asking them, fix our mess. Leaders. Fix our mess. Leaders. And they are here blaming other people. Somebody didn't have the internet and they have become a founder of agriculture, founder of engineering, ambience. They have become something. We are here, hallelujah, receiving communion every Sunday. Hail Mother Mary of God, our Father who art in heaven. I believe in Jesus, Son of the living God. Recitations, and we have nothing to show for. Ghana, you are crippled. You are blind. Your leaders are blind and dumb dogs who cannot speak and who does not perform. You are 67 years and you are struggling with common electricity. Electricity is common. It's a common amenity. What is happening is not lack of supply. It's money issue. And when it's money issue, it's mismanagement. Now this electricity thing is revealing how flawed our leadership is. Flawed leadership. I don't care about your parties. I don't care about who is in power. I went to one of the embassies recently and my heart broke. One day I saw over 600 people one day applying for visa in one day. Can you imagine 600 people times 30 days? Tell me the number of people that are looking for an opportunity to leave Africa. Why? What? And you feel like Christianity is tell them Jesus is coming and let's close and go home. That's it. When you need vote, you come to church. I should tell church people, hallelujah, Jesus will help you this week. Go home and sleep. And that is church? What kind of nonsense is this? I don't understand. What kind of leadership is this? Africa at the moment is bleeding, and it's not only Ghana. Go to Nigeria and see flawed, weak leadership. Go to, Uganda and see how weak and vulnerable and frail. No leadership. No leadership. So me, when you talk about old people and people who are in leadership, and I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Because we are living in a place where, hope must be restored. Hope. must be restored. We are praying for you. We are trusting God with you. We are not talking ill about our country. We are speaking positively that things will be better. And you people are there, enjoying with your families and, having it. Because when the lights went off and we are in the heat, your generator starts automatically and we are paying for it. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? Let's say that I am a pastor of a denomination and I spoke against this. I will be transferred the next week. Suspended transfer. So even our fathers are not making it easy for the trouble to be solved.
Ado for me sign so Emma wakwa ababiem prophet odru onum nsem efa dum so ehu ena yakwa akotie abai. Na wo se hwe ade betin amama ba asore no metoto nkonya miensa so da bonten. Ansa ade betin amama ba asore ni nyina yemfa asedama ECG for efise omudum kane saada no na Captain Smart so ede nanum nsem afa dum so no ha chale ya enkanka yenuano mema ebia wasete match bi pa na ni pedru wo kafo yenkore yekoti Captain Smart enum nsem nebra
mo manage o ma me it's move on me we return is a 600 Ghana cedis and Nigeria so who is got this and yet men kasa asa menchire papa waso men kasa asa menchire na go fa no so twanka 600 cedis when ije the another many and people be pa why executives no back or say or 1,200 why I say weekend or bar for the first time when you're Bema or selling the money fee. Why they do can you do can there be already didn't know some brother should see it didn't know but we didn't know who was to do I catch us you can Jesus Christ yes what can you different for a football club a foreign coach or Ghana they attribute in to do so there. Baby, it's bad. Pass a coach, they say that night now after the before the game, you don't like to tell my players name to me and that only enough rest. If they say to be loose, coach is a foreigner on you go. It's that phrase alone. The whole world will be able to say, baby, I answer what is this? I feel we have a Ghana for winning no be able to win when I'm making this. Yes, no, I think. What is this? So for some of them, no, then I make me feel bad so if you don't make just send a fancy and a tower my 4,000 now. Bakoda, but also I got not free. Maybe they are said why? God really solo na me down must say. Me see that time and I make talk plants. 2015. Oh my goodness. Now I say, my individual, many other men trying to 2015 planted from $27,000. And see, the first one, now the kakako. 81 year, 8 months, or once a mutual year, the other man, before any said 3,000, that's God, you need to load them down, must Kabeda Sum. I do Kania, Namasumana, said to car. I could not diesel. Obi a nema nie mu te dem a me komoche odruja ese ye dum kan ya te fafunu ne sa ko asije na
asem na nso wo ye ba ni social media le so dia obia di na no ato asem ya me kan ye ECG for dum so obusa ma o so NCC te so mo de NCC ye yin ye da se ne na nu ya ye se ma me wata ekoko weak cable ema network e wo Ghana ha itiko ye bisi basa na ye ninje e wo Ghana ha se ye omo nso ye nimo se ye papa wata na akọ weak cable papa wata e na akọ weak cable na ya brefo enso e de nanum nsem aba afa dum so ye nkode ye ngoti mbra.
Good morning. I hope so be at home. About to exercise Sunday morning. I'm about to exercise. Still not like to the man. About 7. And more 7. Or more edging is 7, so I'm sure it's about 7. I'm sure it's going to come back at 7. Am I? It's 12 hours, so we know. Now we know. Yeah, now we know. I hear they said, oh, your timetable is not that easy. At the moment, you won't say the call for about 12 hours after. It's just that we don't know the period in which you take it off. And the hand. Mayate, a mile. Number 70 a mile. Generator is still so. And our plant in the so. That's a very size. Until they won't go quiet. I've gone back to my first lab. Alright, ciao.
Video no ena ye kokoshe bae no chese e dumsa chiro comment section ho e nsiesie so a chire e wo comment section e ma me ye hypocrite wo ha se wo ye die ben de be wo ye party A wo ye party B ntino wo be ka se nsiesie masa no kre no eno asem ena ye ka to me no me hunu se e dumso ena asan ba Ghana ha say na electricity for ECG paying for mompe bibi enye on free say endri ti pass yin yankopon ne hu ne mamobo ena wo ka ha say ECG for wan hinte wo se to so mamo na motime deda na nka edum light wo hyewe enti say one hour summer cinema me digibede ebrel eye oboba village and apartment eye cha kwan ewo opoko ase amount from chese eba no say wo pe baby a obeda adwo won de a ene ye oboba village and apartment e number no ena e chego ewo screen na se no joba delivery phone so say baby a wo bia wo de fa homatrofo na frɛ ye be deliver bibia wo pe bia ye be deliver Ediama Vikes Kitchen chakwa USA New York eban eduane noa se woni adaje wo de beye eduane ni ade na ope obi a obepopo ne nsa no eban local food just eduane bia Vikes Kitchen your number no na chego screen na se no adofo dumso update no ente ye nimse fofo so beto form a joba trend ye ma waso enso yɛda wase